Goodyear ceramic titanium beam wiper blades are a great upgrade to any vehicle, engineered to last 2 times longer and delivers complete visibility. This brief video will take you step by step through their installation on vehicles with pinch tab and pinch tab button wiper arms. First, with the wiper arm in the upright position, squeeze the sides of the front of the adapter and pull the adapter latch up to open. Next, place the wiper arm onto the adapter so that the tabs on the back of the wiper arm are captured by the adapter nibs. Then, push the adapter latch down so it locks into place. But just to be certain you've installed the blade properly, give it a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Lastly, if there is a plastic protector over the rubber, slide it off the wiper blade and that's it. You're done. Simply repeat these steps for the second blade and you're all set. Using your Goodyear ceramic titanium wiper blades. Performance you can trust.